Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. So people, I hope you guys can hear me and see me very well. If you can, do let me know with a thumbs up, with a yo in the chat so that we can begin and learn some amazing concepts in today's lecture number 2 of your chapter Limits. Hello Remo, welcome. Netra, very good evening. I'm so happy to see you. So people, this is part of your nurture series for the 11th standard students, and we are going to look at some very cool observations of indeterminate forms today. Something which all of you guys are waiting for, isn't it? Hello Roshan, Surender, welcome. Nice to see you, man. Avni is here, Sharmila. Nice to see you here, Sharmila. Great, I love the energy. So people, you're going to learn this with me, Shimon Sir. So who is he? For all the people who are here for the very first time. People, my name is Shimon. I teach mathematics at Vedantu. I'm a graduate of IIT Madras and I'm basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so that is me. Now let's get moving. So currently you guys are all watching Enthuse channel, which is the English JEE channel of Vedantu. So this channel, we train you guys for all engineering exams in English. So if you are looking forward to learn with us, then make sure you subscribe without fail and also like the video so that your teachers are encouraged. Okay, so shall we get started? Yes, are you a civil engineer? Zishan, I did a lot of courses on energy, man. So my background is more towards energy. And people, if you want to talk to me, be my friend or get some advice regarding your preparation, then you can message me on Instagram. So that is my ID in Instagram as well as Telegram. I'm quite active in both the places. So you can message me whenever you feel like. Got it? Hello, Vijaya is right on time. Fantastic. Kushi is here. Great. Sharmila, thank you so much. That's awesome. So people, let's begin our class. And today, what are we going to look at? I want to mention that. So people who have come here looking forward to learn from this particular lecture, I will tell you exactly what we will be doing in the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. What we will be doing? We will look at indeterminate forms. Very important. That is the crux of your chapter. Okay, the entire chapter of limits is going to revolve around what? Indeterminate forms. Like how? In a movie. The entire story is around the hero, right? Absolutely. Whenever you take Vijay movie or Tala's movie, it's always going to be revolving around them. So like that, our chapter Limits, the hero is indeterminate form. We are going to basically be talking about how to solve the various indeterminate forms. Got it? Then I'll teach you how to solve them, factorization method, rationalization method, and whenever limit tends to infinity. That is a very good model which you have to know for your JEE Mains and for your CBSE also. So I'm going to touch upon that. And of course, what is maths without problems, guys? Mathematics is problems, right? So we need to make sure we solve them. So it is part and parcel of a lecture. Got it? So let's get started. But before I move into the theory, I want to appreciate all the people who did the homework. How many of you did the homework? Everybody comes and then has a very nice time in the session. But when it comes to homework, nobody will do it. Isn't it? Very bad, guys. Come on. You have to make sure you comment down your answers below. Today's class I will be expecting. Okay. So what is the answer for this question? How do you solve it? So this is direct substitution method, which I taught you in the last class. Hello Adish, welcome man. Very nice to see you here. Previous year's series for 11th standard. Yes, Sivahari, I will try to do that. Okay. It took me 1000 pages to solve this. I know Selva Kumari, it is quite difficult. It requires an extra 2 kg of brain to solve this question. And that's why I think you use 1000 pages. Otherwise, it requires 10,000. Got it? So people, let's try to solve this question. It's a legendary question. So what is direct substitution method? You directly put x as 0. So it will be 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 4 divided by you'll have 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2. So it's going to be 4 by 2. And after a lot of calculator usage, you will get the answer as 2. Because heavy calculation, isn't it? That's why many people did not comment. L'Hopital rule. Netra, no. No, Netra, you cannot use L'Hopital here. Please be very careful of what you say. L'Hopital is used only when you have 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Please understand that. You cannot use it everywhere, wherever you feel like. That's a very big mistake. Got it? Brilliant. Rajalakshmi, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Yes. My voice is not so great, but I'm doing fine. So people, let's get started with the session. But a few people, a few good ones took their time to reply to the homework question. So I want to appreciate all of you guys. So we have Roshni, very good. Gauri Shankar, legendary. Ritika, Ragodaman, then Pranab Ray, Nandu, Vijaya, then Setu, then we have Shweta, and then we have Visagan, then we have Surender, then you have Jayvant, Nature, Ravi Kirti, Vamshi, Jitesh, Kingmaker. You guys are awesome. Keep it up, people. Today I am expecting more people to answer. I hope you guys will make me happy. I will check after dinner today. If you guys give me more than 20 comments, then great. Next class we will kill it. Even if you don't give me 20 comments, next class we'll still kill it. But I want you guys to participate, okay? That gives me motivation. That gives me energy. Now, we will move to today's topic. I hope you're all ready. Can I see some excitement in the chat? Shubham Samal, welcome man. I'm doing great, Shubham. Thank you for asking. What will we do today in Drishti Batch C? Arshad, I think you are uninformed. Today Drishti Batch C session is rescheduled. Okay, I'm not very comfortable with my voice, so I don't want to strain too much. So Drishti C Vedantu class today is rescheduled to Friday. Okay. Hello Remo, welcome man. Sir, can I take your notes? Of course Faisal, but Faisal, I will give you the PDF after the class man. So please make sure you join my Telegram group. When I say my Telegram group, I refer to Enthuse Telegram group. Okay. So join our Telegram group and we will share the PDF of every lecture right after the class is done. Okay. Good and bold girl, welcome. And drink Kerala juice. I am not very fond of Kerala juice, man. When I was a kid, my parents used to say, eat lady's finger, you will do maths well. Eat lady's finger, you will do maths well. Did your parents say that? But guys, I never did. And I think I still turned out decently well in maths. Okay, so now you know. Kerala juice for throat, I think it might work, but still, I want to still keep it away because I cannot handle Kerala, man. Okay, so people, are you all ready? Great. This is your JEE at 4 p.m. I know, man. Hello, Vishnu. Welcome. Sai Kushal. Welcome. So, people, what do we have over here? What to do if the expressions of type this is given? So, guys, when I use direct substitution, what do I get? Can you guys do that? Because, people, listen carefully. From now on, it's very important. Whatever I have taught you until now, it is nothing but direct substitution method. So direct substitution method means what? You will exactly take the value of x and you will put it in the place over here. Got it? You will put it inside the function. Whatever x tends to, that value you will put it here. So you will put 1 square minus 1 by 1 minus 1, which will become anda by anda. What is anda by anda? Anda by anda, you cannot find out the value. 0 by 0, you cannot find out the value. Such occurrences are called as indeterminate form. Such occurrences are called as indeterminate form. So how do you handle it? For that you need special technique. So that is what I'm going to teach you today. That is why today's class is ultra important. Today is the best session for limits. Because now only we are getting into the actual topic of limit. Okay? Because the entire chapter deals with how to handle the various indeterminate forms. Okay, so this is an example of indeterminate form, but is this the only indeterminate form? No, of course not. We have several indeterminate forms, totally 7 in number. Very good, Arshad, you are right. Hello Chandan, welcome man, nice to have you here. Gokulnath, you are absolutely correct, Gokulnath, you are right. Hello Shanki, welcome. Nandu, you are absolutely right, Nandu, good job. So people, these are the 7 indeterminate forms which are nothing but 0 by 0, you cannot find out. You need to use special methods to solve it. Infinity by infinity, special method you need. 0 into infinity. Now this one everybody has confusion. Sir, what sir, you made typing mistake. I didn't expect this from you, sir. Infinity minus infinity. Are you kidding me, sir? Infinity minus infinity, LKG student will answer, sir. Anything subtracted with itself is 0 only, no, sir. What are you doing? You are telling that is indeterminate? Yes, it is. Because infinity means it is a symbol. It is not a number like you feel. It is a symbol. So it is a symbol which represents a very large quantity. It is a symbol which represents a very large quantity. Now, I'll give you a simple example. Let us say you have limit extending to infinity. Okay, let us say the example is, I'll take blue color so that you guys can see clearly. You will have e to the power x minus x. Now guys, what is the answer? Do you guys agree it is infinity minus infinity? Do you guys agree it is infinity minus infinity? Everybody agrees with me on that? Because e to the power infinity is infinity and x is also tending to infinity. So when I subtract both of them, I will get 0. Do you think so? Absolutely not. Because e power x is a much greater value. E power x is a much greater value. How will the function look like? So guys, e power x graph will look like this. Whereas y equal to x will look like this. So you see e power x is much greater than x. So the difference will not be 0. That is what I wanted to convey. Are you guys clear with it? Did you all like it? Everybody? So this is what I call as indeterminate form, infinity minus infinity. Then what else do we have? 0 to the power 0 is also called as indeterminate form. Then you have 1 to the power infinity. 1 to the power infinity is also an indeterminate form, because when I say 1, it is not exactly 1, guys. It is something tending to 1. So it can be slightly more than 1, it can be slightly lesser than 1, something like that. That is why this is also indeterminate. Okay? Are you all clear with that, my dear boys and girls? Wonderful. I am so happy you guys are all following it. And guys, you should all be excited because this is something which normally people just memorize. I hope you are getting the hang of it. Now we will deal with it one by one. Okay? We will try to deal with it one by one. I will teach you how to solve it. Some of you guys may be already aware of it, but now we will see how it works, why it works, and how we approach the answer. All of that we will try to have a look at. Exactly. So people, here we go. Now, how do you solve all of them? That is the question which I have for you. How do you solve these indeterminate forms? You have so many. And that is the entire beauty of this chapter. We'll be slowly opening the onion. How do you open an onion? You open an onion by peeling one layer after the other, isn't it? Absolutely. You just open one layer and then the next layer. Like that, we are going to reveal all the secrets of this chapter. What is the first secret that I'm going to tell you guys? Any idea? What is the first secret which I'm going to reveal? Any idea, guys? The first method for solving a limit. Already we saw the direct substitution method, but today we will be looking at factorization method. Okay, so that is what I wanted to hear from you guys. Here we go. The first method is called as the factorization method. Absolutely, Chandan. Manipulation is all we need. Truly, truly. Great. Onion. Very good, Vijaya. Vijaya, you are absolutely right. Zishan is saying, sir, you only know, sir, you only tell. Zishan, of course, students also know, man. They are just acting humble. Students are like staying humble. They know all the way up to L'Hopital. Okay. So they will have to answer when the time comes. Perfect. So people, the first method is called as factorization method. So you guys are correct. Good job. So what we do here is, whenever you are given a question, if you encounter 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, I will tell you one very good method to solve it. Find the common factor and cancel it out. Okay. So this is the question we had, isn't it? We had this question. Limit x tending to 1. We had x square minus 1 by x minus 1. Is that right, people? Did you all like this question? Everybody told, sir, if I put x1 directly, I am getting 0 by 0, sir. 0 by 0 is indeterminate. So how do I go forward? How do I go forward and solve it? Just listen carefully. It is a good method. So people, here I can apply factorization method because I have a square minus b square. Correct, na? What is a square minus b square? We learned it in our lower grades that a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Are you all cool with it? Did you guys like that? This is something we know as an algebraic identity from our 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard and so on. Isn't it? Great. So now if I use that, what will I get? I'll get x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. And then I have limit x tending to 1. Is that correct? Did you all like it? Brilliant, people. Now, which is the factor which is making the term go 0 by 0? You look at it carefully. See, you hate 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form is headache. I want to remove that and find out my limit. So what is the factor which makes it become 0 by 0? The factor which makes it become 0 by 0 is x minus 1. Now since I have factorized it, I can cancel it out. Sir, how can you cancel, sir? Because my x tends to 1. When x tends to 1, does it mean x is equal to 1? Again, conceptual. When I say x tending to 1, it comes towards 1 from left hand side, right hand side, but it does not touch 1. It comes closer and closer and closer and closer and closer and closer to 1, but it does not touch 1. Therefore, I can cancel. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, apply the limit. Apply x equal to 1. You'll have 1 plus 1 equal to 2. That's my answer. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shall we move forward? Now it's time for you guys to solve questions. Are you all ready? Yep. X minus 1 should be thrown away. Absolutely. Both of them will get cancelled. Very good, Gokulnath. Very good, Nandu. Zishan. Yes, you are right, my dear. Good, 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 good. So shall we move forward? Roshni says answer is 2. Roshni, you are absolutely right. Good job. Absolutely, Arshad. The common factors are always going to be problematic. So just get rid of it and move forward. Namah Shiva, that's awesome. Sivahari, yes, we will do it, Sivahari. I told you. I will definitely plan it out. You have told me. Please do wait for it. Right now, CBSE is going on. So that is why we are trying to support your seniors. They have the term 1 board exam, man. So that's why we are supporting them by whatever means we can. Very good. Vijaya, that's awesome. Sharmila says, thumbs up. Hello, Tanmayi. Tanmayi, welcome. I am doing great. I hope you are excited and ready for this question. Arshad, how do you say so positive? I think it's just, we are built like that, man. I am generally like that, so I don't know how. It's just me. Hello, Vinay Nair. Welcome, Vinay. Nice to have you here. Good. So people, how do you solve this question? It is not rationalization, okay? Don't try that. It is not based on rationalization. It is based on your factorization only. Okay? It is based on factorization. So please try to solve it. I think it is C, sir. Zishan. No. No, my dear. You have to check it. That is not the right one. So please go for it again. Vijaya, did you get the answer? What happened? Everybody is silent. Come on, people. Hurry up. Give it a good try, no? Yes, Vishesh. My voice is not great, man. I'm actually straining a bit, but it's all right. I can manage for 1 hour. Yeah. Gokulnath says D. Gokulnath, you are awesome, man. That's correct. Pumba says, sir, use L'Hopital rule. Pumba, you can use it because you know, but I do not teach it still. Okay, so I will not use it. Otherwise, students will be like, sir, you are teaching something and you are doing something, sir. Okay, so I will use L'Hopital after I teach it. Right now, I will use only factorization. Okay, so everybody try to solve it only by factorization, then we'll move forward. Okay. Great. Nayan Gopal, where in Tamil Nadu? I stay in Chennai, man. In Chennai, I stay in a place called Ananagar. Okay. Easy peasy. Great. Gokulnath says easy because he has solved it and Adish has done it. Hello, Nikki Singh. Welcome, Nikki. Glad to have you here. So people, we will try to finish off this question. Okay. How do we solve this? We have limit x tending to 1 plus. And then what do we have? We have root of x square minus 1. So root of x square minus 1, I can write as root of x minus 1 into x plus 1. And then you have what? Plus root of x minus 1. Divided by, you have again root of x minus 1 into x plus 1. So people, can you see that root of x minus 1 is common? Root of x minus 1 is common to the numerator and to the denominator. Isn't that right? Are you guys happy with it? Everybody? So now, what will get cancelled? The common factor will get cancelled. Now, I can substitute. X is tending to 1. I'll get root 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is my answer, which is option D. Beautiful. Yes? Very good. Absolutely, Chandan. L Hospital is not good at all for a beginner. Because in the beginning, if you teach L'Hopital, then the student will not learn anything else. He'll only do L'Hopital. He'll become L'Hopital's ideal, loyal follower. Hello, Pranav. That's absolutely right, Pranav. Good job. You forgot the denominator. Be careful. Hello, Roshni. Welcome. Nice to have you here. You are coming from school, is it? I didn't know you guys at school. I thought you were all on leave. Okay. I'm treating everybody like 12th standard or college students. So people, with that, we shall move forward to the next one. I guess you're all ready for it. Yes? Pranav says, yes, sir. Vijaya says, clear. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead. Now, this is the next question. Let's see how you guys can solve it. Guys, these are all the same pattern. Just the numbers are changed and the way it is asked is changed. Okay. But the model, the pattern is exactly the same. I hope you guys can see through that. That skill is what you develop by solving plenty of questions. You are treating like as though we are from Oxford University. I know, man, Zishan. That's why I'm explaining so detailed. Please teach triangular inequality. Triangular inequality is a statement, man. Okay, so you can just use it in questions. But this year, I think SOT is not there. Maybe they can ask you triangular inequality in complex numbers. So Sivari, basically what it says is the sum of two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. That is one statement. The other one is the difference of any two sides should be lesser than the third side. So these are the two rules which you have to remember. Use them wisely. That is what is important. So I would advise you practice more questions. Okay. Zishan says 2 by 3. Are you sure, Zishan? And then Cholan says A. Cholan, welcome. Nice to have you here. Pranav says A. So Zishan, do you want to change the answer? My dear student from Oxford University. Did you get it? I don't think so. So please check it. Now I'll have to call Oxford and ask what happened to you. Just kidding, guys. It's okay. So people, what do you have here? You have 1 minus x to the power minus 2 by 3. So I have 1 minus x to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by I have 1 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. Got it? Everybody ready? Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 1 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square. The numerator, I'm going to write it like that. So what is this? 1 minus x minus 1 by 3 square. So that's going to be a plus b into a minus b. Correct now? A plus b into a minus b is what we have. So if I put that over here, what will I get? I'll get limit x tending to 1. I will have 1 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus x to the power minus 1 by 3 divided by x to the power minus 1 by 3. So what will get cancelled? I will have these two getting cancelled. So what will be my answer? My answer will be direct substitution now. Put x equal to 1. So you'll have 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So 2 is my answer. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you all like it? Yes. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, Venkatesh, some of the students are new to this channel, man. So I want to do it again. Definitely I will take up a new chapter after this is over. Okay, don't worry. 1 to the power anything is 1. Okay. That is also true. That is why this term becomes 1. Correct, correct. Very good, Vijaya. That's right. Pumba is right. Very good. Adish, it is not D, man. What are you saying? Yogesh, you're not late. You can follow from here. I have just taught you one method, Yogesh, which is called as your factorization method. So whenever you are given a question which takes 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity, the method is try to factorize and cancel out the common factors. That's it. Okay. Great. So with that, people, we shall move forward to the next question, which is an interesting one. So guys, I always bring riddles. So now it's fun time. So I have a very fun riddle for you. Are you guys ready? Everybody? So I want to see the answers, but guys, no Googling, okay? If you Google, then no point. You are spoiling the fun. Let's listen to the answers what students have, okay? Then only it's gonna be interesting. When we get some comic answers, then we can probably have some fun mocking the answer. That's what all of us want, isn't it? Great. Okay, so where is Sanvi? Why are you calling us Soonvi, man? You want to meet her real soon. You change her name to Soonvi. Very bad, Vijaya. Vijaya is spoil sport. I think we should block her and then conduct the riddles. Okay, guys. I thought you are all very good students. You will answer green. But looks like I can't distract you. You are all ultra legends. What to do? Okay. So I gave green color here with so much difficulty. I gave so many green, that too in capital letter. And still you guys did not answer green. Very bad behavior, man. You ruined the puzzle. So guys, the answer is there are no stairs. Why there are no stairs? Because it is just a one-story building. Okay, you don't have any floors. So when you don't have any floors, then why do you need a stair? Okay. So that is the answer. Good job, people. I expected green, but looks like I failed. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Everybody please solve this one, guys. Okay, I'll answer green for you. Now you'll answer green. Thank you so much, Vijaya. That means a lot. I'm happy now. Okay, so guys, everybody try to solve this question. This is using your trigonometry involved, okay? Getting your trigonometry also involved. So think about it and try to do it. Sir, there won't be any stairs. Roshni, you are absolutely right. But I think you are using Internet Explorer. Your answer came a bit late. Okay. I'm just kidding, Roshni. You are right, you are right. Vedantu is in English medium. Yes, we do have English medium batches because there are certain teachers who take in English only, okay? So we have English batches wherein we teach fully in English. You guys can check it out. Z tends to what, sir? Where is Z, man, here? There is no Z. Visagan, it is X. X tends to pi by 6. X tends to pi by 6, okay? Divyanshu says anda. I don't think so, man. It is not anda. Check it. Divyanshu says laddu. Divyanshu, what is the answer? Please let me know. It is blue stairs. Arshad still wants to save me. Thank you, Arshad. Yes, blue would have been a good answer. X tends to what? X tends to pi by 6 service again. Okay. So guys, how do you solve it? Come on, guys. Nobody is telling the answer. Everybody is telling it is easy, but no answers are coming. Hello, Jaiwan. No problem, Jaiwan. Glad to have you here. Chandan says option A. Nandu says C. And you know what? Nobody is right. Okay, nobody is right. All of you are wrong. Come on, people. Try it. Get the right answer quickly. Zishan says A. Zishan. I'm calling Oxford right after the class. I'll tell I want to talk about one legendary student called Zishan. Okay, practical math says B, Ashwita says B, Cholan says B. Yes, guys, the answer is B. Okay. Yes, Zishan, now you are correct. The answer is option B, guys. Okay, let's try to solve it. So we have limit x tending to pi by 6. Okay, and you have 2 sine square x plus sine x minus 1. How do you factorize it? You can factorize it like this. 2 sine square x plus 2 sine x minus 1 divided by, what do you have? You have again in the denominator, you can factorize it. How do you factorize it? You can factorize it as minus 2 sine x minus sine x plus 1, right? So guys, if you split the middle term and you factorize it, what do you get? You get 2 sine x minus 1 into, you get sine x plus 1. And then you divide it by, what do you get? You get 2 sine x and then you have minus 1 and then you have sine x minus 1. Is that right? So now what is the common factor? The common factor is these two. So if I cancel it out, what do I get? I get limit x tending to pi by 6. You have sine x plus 1 divided by sine x minus 1. So put x equal to pi by 6. If I put x equal to pi by 6, I'll get sine pi by 6 plus 1 by sine pi by 6 minus 1. So what do I have? I have half plus 1 by half minus 1. So that will be what? 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. So that will be minus 3. That is the way you guys solve it. Suhail, super chat is not happening. I have no idea, man. I have only received it once. Let's go. Shall we move forward? Are you guys ready? Very good, very good. So with that, let us move forward to the next one. Here we go. So people, the next method, are you guys ready to learn the next one? Everybody. Sir, I got this question right. Please admit me to Shimon Baba University. One question right? No. Shimon Baba University, you need to be more qualified. Okay. I will tell you when you guys are ready for Shimon Baba's University. Okay, so people, let's continue. What do we have? We have rationalization method next. Okay, this is important. Please listen carefully. See guys, your factorization method will not work everywhere. Your factorization method will not work everywhere and at all times. Sometimes you need to look for other specialized methods, and that is where your rationalization comes into picture. I have brought some very good questions to discuss with you. Let's get started. I will show you how it works. So this method is also used whenever the function tends to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So whenever your function tends to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then also you can try to use this method. I will show you how it works. It is something which you guys are all aware of, because in NCERT 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, you guys have been exposed to rationalization in algebra. That is exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, so let us take this question. Okay, what do we have? We have root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x, and we have limit x tending to 0. So people, if I directly substitute x as 0, what do you get? If I directly put x as 0, what do I get? I get 0 by 0. Isn't that right, people? So that is an indeterminate form. I don't know how to solve it. I need some extra special methods. So can I use factorization here? Nope. How can I use factorization here? Is there any algebraic identity going on? No. So I cannot use factorization. So what is the other way in which I can handle it? What is the other way in which I can handle it? The other way is rationalization. So I will rationalize my numerator. How do I rationalize my numerator? I multiply by its conjugate. I multiply by its conjugate to the numerator and to the denominator. When I do that, I'll be able to simplify it. How? Let's have a look at it. You have a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square divided by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. Okay. And then we have limit x tending to 0. Is that correct? So 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So I'll have x by x. So x by x I can cancel it off. Isn't that right, people? X by x I'll cancel it off. Now put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, what will I get? 1 by root 1 plus 1. So I'll get the answer as 1 by 2. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Are you guys happy? I just cracked my neck. Satisfaction into 100. Yes, 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 yes. I know the feel, man. But sometimes you get to 99% and you have a small pain. That is satisfaction into minus 10,000. That small strain you have. So it's a fine line cracking your neck, isn't it? I hope you have experienced it. Otherwise, you will not get what I'm saying. Okay. So people, are you all ready? Shall I move forward? Great, great, great. So people have already started marketing the admission for my university. Okay, great. The eligibility for SB University is next level. I'll make a separate document on it. So guys, shall we move forward? Great. So here we go, people. This is the next question for you. I want everybody to participate. Okay. All of you guys participate and tell me the answer. Sir, sorry for telling soon we. No, I was just kidding, man. Don't worry. I thought you wanted her to be here soon. Okay. Don't worry. It's just. Can I join? Of course, man. Why not? What happened to you? Gokulnath got scared, I think. Gokulnath, chill. Nothing happened. I was just saying that you typed Sanvi as Soonvi because I thought you wanted her to come to the riddle very fast. Okay. So, Harsh Delhiwala is saying 4. Is that right? We will check it, Harsh. Okay. Hello, Kalyani. Kalyani, I'm seeing you after ages. How are you? Great, great, great. Zishan. Very good, Zishan. That's absolutely right, I guess. We will check it out. We will check it out in a short while. What about others? Nikhil Krishna says, sir, I finished vectors, statistics, sequence and series, complex numbers all in 3 days with 0 to hero. Thank you. Nikhil, I'm glad you did that, man. Happy for you. Continue to work hard. You will do well. Don't worry. Okay. Take a lot of test series towards the end of your preparation. Divyanshu says option A. Okay. Gokulnath says option B. Great. So let's try to solve it. Please listen carefully. So guys, how do you solve this question? You solve it by rationalization, because if I directly substitute 0, what do I get? I get 0 divided by 0. So I can use rationalization. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do multiplication by conjugate. Multiplication by conjugate, division by conjugate. And similarly for the denominator as well. Similarly for the denominator as well. The denominator is going to be root of x square plus 9 plus 3 divided by root of x square plus 9 plus 3. So what will I have? I'll have x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by x square plus 9 minus 9 into, you'll have root of x square plus 9 plus 3 divided by root of x square plus 1 plus 1. So now 1 cancel, 9 cancel. So I have limit x tending to 0. Okay, so I can cancel off the x square. So only this will be left out. Now put x equal to 0 directly. If I put x equal to 0 directly, what will I get? I'll get root 9 plus 3 divided by, I'll get root of 1 plus 1. So the answer is 3 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 1. So guys, the answer is 3. Who said 4? 4 is not correct. 3 is right. Okay. Badawat, Jitendra, you are right. Simeon, Suchir, you are right, Simeon. That's right. Chandan, Pranab, you guys are all absolutely correct. Good job, guys. Good job. No, Arshad, they're all handpicked from various materials. Okay. In a very sequential manner. Chandan, that's fantastic. Pubita, welcome. Where were you? You're late again. I knew. See, I wanted you to come on time for consistently for 1 week and you guys messed up in the second day, third day itself. Next class, be on time. Do you know Harshan? Yes, Harshan is my batch student, man, from 11th standard. I don't know which Harshan are you talking about. Okay. Do you know Babu? Radiant. I don't know which Babu you are talking about, man. Fantastic. So people, with that, we shall move forward to the next one. Sir is greater than Peter Atkins. Who is Peter Atkins, man? The only Atkins I know is Rowan Atkinson. Who is that? The only Atkin I know is Rowan Atkinson. No, nobody knows. I've heard of his name. My God. Guys, Rowan Atkinson is Mr. Bean. Okay. You guys are from a different generation, man. Guys, Rowan Atkinson is Mr. Bean, okay? That's why I said. Peter Atkins is, I think Peter Atkins is physical chemistry expert, right? If I'm not wrong. He wrote a book on physical chemistry. Is that right? Oh, he's a professor in Oxford University. Okay. Zishan, our dear boy, is from Oxford. He only talks about Oxford stuff. Okay. Sir, you are Tamil. Jumpy. Yes, man. I am from Chennai. Good job. So, people, with that, let's try to solve this question. This is an interesting question. I want all of you to do it. Come on. I want every single person in the class to try it out. This is amazing. The chat has a lag, is it? Okay, okay. Maybe. Very good. Sir, doing intervals and making us happy. Yup. Because it's very important to maintain the focus, man. When we are solving it, it is important to maintain focus. If you continuously do it, then you will lose your attention. That's why I want to keep you guys ready and fresh for questions. So now please try to solve it. It's a good question. Okay. Now please try to solve it. It's a good question. How do you do it? So people, again, you have to double rationalize. When I say double rationalize, you have to rationalize your numerator. You have to rationalize your denominator. Correct, na? Everybody cool with that? So I'm gonna directly write it. So please try to follow, because I cannot multiply conjugate of numerator divided by conjugate of denominator. So that's going to take a lot of space. Okay. So I'm directly going to write the next step. Please listen carefully. See if you can follow. Okay. So people, x tends to 0. I'll have what? I'll have this multiplied with its conjugate. This multiplied with its conjugate, what will I have? I'll have a square minus ax plus a square. Sorry, x square, right? Minus a square plus ax plus x square. Divided by, I'll have root of this multiplied by its conjugate will become what? This multiplied with its conjugate will become a plus x minus a minus x. Okay. And now the conjugate of numerator will be present in my denominator. The conjugate of numerator will be present in my denominator. A square minus ax plus x square plus root of a square plus ax plus x square. And similarly, the conjugate of denominator will be present in my numerator. What is the conjugate of denominator? Root of a plus x plus root of a minus x. That's it. Are you guys happy? Now let's cancel out. A square cancel, x square cancel. So numerator I'll have minus 2ax. Denominator what I'll have? A cancel. So I'll have 2x. Into I'll have what? Root of a plus x plus root of a minus x. Divided by, what do I have, my dear children? I'll have a square minus ax plus x square plus root of a square plus ax plus x square. Now substitute it. Now substitute x as 0. So if I put limit x tending to 0, what do I get? X cancel, 2 cancel. So now if you put it, what do you get? You get minus a, root a plus root a, 2 root a divided by, I'll have what? A square plus a square. So you'll have 2a. So a cancel, 2 cancel. So answer is minus root a. Is that right? Did you all like it? Option D is correct. Very good, Visagan. Very good, Visagan. Abhinav, you are right, Abhinav. Very good. Good job. Pranab, brilliant Pranab. Why conjugate for numerator? You have to simplify both to cancel out the common factor which is making it 0 by 0. Okay, did you understand it? See, when you directly substitute x as 0, you get 0 by 0 form. So when you have 0 by 0 form, you need to bring a common factor in the numerator as well as the denominator, which will cancel out, because that is what is making both of them go to 0 by 0. Understood? So that is the understanding that you should have behind this method. So shall we proceed? Did you guys like it? Yes, Jumpy, see you at night. We will meet in the CBSE mock test. Okay, perfect. So guys, before we go to the next one, I hope all of you know the news. If not, I want to tell you guys, that's why I created this slide. So people, your Kvpy exam announced its official date. It is on January 9th. Okay, the Kvpy exam was January 9th and you guys have exactly 1 month time for it. In case you are really serious about it, you can make use of the Kvpy crash course like last year these students have made use of. Okay, so these students were our crash course students and they were able to secure top ranks, All India rank 72, All India rank 78, 221, and overall we had 54 students who got these top ranks. So if you also want to be there, then please do check out the crash course. It is completely recorded because now you don't have time. You want to watch the videos fast. And guys, you know what is the best part here? We covered exactly the most important topics of Kvpy, like geometry, and then mechanics, optics, algebra, number theory. All these important topics are covered in a regularized, organized manner. You will have assignments and test series also. In case that is important for you, then please make sure you utilize it. Guys, this cost is, I would say, very, very reasonable because the time period is 1 month. It will be a good revision. So if you are a serious aspirant, I would advise you to at least go check it out. I will show you how to use it. The link is given just below this video. Okay. So shall we move forward? The next one is very important. What about the L'Hopital method? XOXO, this is just the second lecture. Okay. I'm teaching the entire chapter. It is just the second lecture. So in this lecture, I'm only going to talk about factorization method, rationalization method, and the last topic, which is limit tending to infinity. This is the last topic. As we complete more and more concepts, I will get to L'Hopital, so please wait for it. Okay? Yes, yesterday I solved 125 questions from R.D. Sharma. Very good, Divyanshu. That's awesome, man. Good job. I am really happy. Keep up the good work. Enrolled already, Tanmayi. That's awesome, Tanmayi. I hope you are enjoying the Kvpy course. It is very sequential, right? Use the assignments properly, Tanmayi. Okay, the assignments are next level. Okay, because I was also part of the design of the course. So I know these assignments. Use them properly. Okay. Good. So now let's see how to solve this. Guys, this is important. Okay. This is very important. But you have to follow the method which I'm going to tell. Are you guys okay? You have to follow the method. What is step number 1? Everybody repeat after me. What is step number 1? Write the expression in rational form. What is rational form? Rational form means one polynomial divided by another polynomial. That is what we call as rational expression. Are you guys ready? Are you all clear with it? So whenever you have a polynomial divided by another polynomial, then that is called as a rational function. Okay. So that is the first step. Hello, Vanakkam man. Yes, Vignesh, I will teach integral calculus also. Okay. So this is how it is in rational form. Now step number 2. What is step number 2? So you need to find the degree of numerator and the degree of denominator. Guys, you have to follow this step. You have to follow these steps for solving these questions. Okay. So let's try to have a look at it. Okay. So what do we have here? You need to find out the degree of numerator. What is the degree of numerator? Degree of numerator is 2. And what is the degree of denominator? Degree of denominator is also 2. Did you guys like that? Everybody cool? So I got degree of numerator, degree of denominator. Now, what did I say? K is the lower of the two. So I will take K is equal to, which is lower out of 2, 2? 2, 2 both are equal. So the lower one is 2 only. Got it? Now divide both your numerator and denominator by x to the power k. So I have to divide numerator and denominator by x to the power 2. These steps are very important. Okay? These steps are very important because after this step, it becomes laddu. No. Adish, you are wrong. Divide by the degree which is lower. That's what I told you, na? K is the lower of the 2 degrees. Okay? So please be careful. Don't say that. Now, what is the next step? The next step, my dear boys and girls, is I divide and I get a nice expression. So I get an expression like this. Now people, the last step. The last step is very, very important. Now, B is a constant. It is a finite number. When a finite number is divided by infinity, don't you think it will become 0? Don't you think it will become 0? See, I divided by x square. I divided numerator by x square. I divided the denominator by x square. X square, x square, x square, I divided the numerator. X square, x square, x square, I divided the denominator. When I do that, I get this expression, and we know b by x will be anda, c by x square will be anda. So these 4 terms will become 0. Why? Because you have a finite number divided by x, but this x tends to infinity. So a finite number divided by infinity, which is a very large number, will become 0 only. So that is why the answer is A by D. So for this question, the answer is A by D. Beauty? Did you guys enjoy this? So Zishan, did you understand it now? When you have a very finite number in the numerator divided by infinity, which is such a large number, it will become 0. Got it? I hope you enjoyed it. With that, we will move forward. Okay? Great. Good job, guys. Good job. So with that, let me go to the third step. This is your third step, and this is how you get the answer. All of you cool with it? Here you divided with the highest power. No Cholan, I divided with the lowest power. Here both are equal, man. Cholan, here both are equal. So it doesn't matter. Got it? But actually, Cholan, step number 2, what I said was K is the lower of the 2 degrees. K is the lower of the 2 degrees. So numerator degree, denominator degree you find out. K is going to be the lower one out of these two. Okay? Please be very careful. Are you clear with it? Fantastic. So people, with that, we will move forward to a question. I want each and everybody to solve this. Come on guys. I want all of you to do it. Very good Pranab. Very good Rishabh. Rishabh, no problem. You're always welcome. Is limit important for mains? Yes man. Limits is very important because continuity chapter na. It completely depends on limits only. Continuity is just the name of the chapter. But inside continuity, whatever you do is just limits basically. Okay. Hello Abhirami. Welcome Abhirami. Nice to see you here. Glad to have you. Welcome, welcome. No problem. Chandrasekharan. Welcome Chandrasekharan. Do you remember me? Of course Abhirami. Welcome back. Good to have you. Even for advanced, it is important. Yes, Gokulnath, you are absolutely right. Om Satpute, welcome. Exactly, Tanmai. Tanmai, you are right. Tanmai, when you say degree itself, it is the highest power. Okay. So you don't have to say highest degree. Okay. Degree itself means highest power of your polynomial. So you don't have to say highest degree, but yeah, I understood what you told. You are right, Tanmay. Correct, correct. You told correct. Zishan, don't worry, my dear. I will help you. Do you remember me? I have no idea. Who is that? Cholan says option. Cholan, your option is not there, man. I don't think it's there in the question, but anyway, we'll try it out. So people, are you all ready? Are you all ready? How do we solve it? So you can take x outside. Okay, I'll take x outside. So guys, if I take x outside, what will I get? I will get x into root 3 minus 1 by x square plus root of 2 into minus 1 by x square. Correct? Divide by, if I take x here, I'll get 4 plus 3 by x. Now x and x will get cancelled. So now put infinity. So this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0. So you'll have root 3 plus root 2 divided by 4. So Cholan, you are right, man. Very good. Cholan, you are absolutely right. So it should have been none of these. That's the answer. Are you all happy with it? But guys, can you rationalize it? I think Cholan, you can rationalize it. Okay. So I think this is correct. Because if I rationalize it, what will I get? Root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2. So I'll have what? A plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So 3 minus 2 divided by 4 into root 3 minus root 2. So option B is correct, Cholan. Please be careful. Okay. Please be careful. Option B is correct. Because you can rationalize it. Good question, na? Options were nice. Options were nice, isn't it? Hello, Cyrus. Cyrus, welcome. I can see your chat, of course. Of course, I can see your chat, man. Welcome. Nice to see you here. Could not understand. Zozo, what happened? What is your doubt? Please let me know. I will try to help you. Divyanshu, you are correct. Chandan, fantastic. So people, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the question. Now try to solve this. This is a fantastic one. Okay. Rishabh Dey, you are absolutely right, Rishabh. Good job. Legendary options, isn't it? Exactly. The options were quite confusing. Yeah. I totally understand that. Denominator should be divided by x square. No. X square is inside the root, na? So what I'm actually dividing by? I'm actually dividing by x only. So think about it, Zozo. Inside the square root, I'm dividing by x square. So that is actually division by x only. Are you able to follow that? So think about it now and tell me if you are still confused. I will help you. Great. Fantastic. So Chandrasekhar is asking, sir, what is the difference between derivative, differentiation? In differentiation, you study the methods of finding your derivative. Okay. So in differentiation, you study what is meant by differentiability, the first principle method, and methods of differentiation. Okay. Derivative means you find the first derivative of the function. Okay. Derivative means the process of doing it and figuring it out. So we say find the derivative by using differentiation. Does that make sense? Okay. So derivative is more like a noun and differentiation is more like a verb. You are doing it. Okay. You have your English term 1 exam day after tomorrow and I'm helping you with English. It's not Shivam, it's Shimon. Zishan, Shivam Sir is my SME, the maths content help that is very essential for YouTube. So all these slides, Shivam Sir only makes it. Okay, so that is why Vijaya told that. Okay, so people, this is the last question. Let's finish it off. Come on, guys. Are you all done with it? So first, rationalize it. So if I rationalize it, what do I get? I'll rationalize it with x square minus x plus 1 minus x divided by, what will I have? Root of x square minus x plus 1 minus x. So I'll get what? A plus b, a minus b. So it's going to be a square minus b square divided by, I have root of x square minus x plus 1 minus of x. And we have limit x tending to minus infinity. So x square cancel. What do I have? I have limit x tending to minus infinity. I'll have minus x plus 1 divided by, I'll have root of x square minus x plus 1 minus x. So guys, divide by x, numerator and denominator. If I divide by x, I'll get what? I'll get something like this. Are you all cool with it? Are you all cool with it? So now put limit x tending to infinity. So if I put limit x tending to minus infinity, what do I get? I get minus 1 divided by, any idea, people? In the denominator, what do I get? Why am I getting something else? Did I do a mistake? Please check it, guys. So the problem here is my limit is tending to minus infinity. Okay, the problem here is my limit is tending to minus infinity. So what I'll do is I will change it as x is equal to minus t. Okay, so if I do that, I'll get t tending to infinity and x is minus t, so it'll become like this. Are you all happy with it? Everybody? Are you guys happy with whatever I have done so far? Yes. So it will become plus 1. Okay, why plus 1? Because x you change it as x is equal to minus t. So it will become minus x is t. So t plus 1. And here it will become t square plus t plus 1 plus t. Okay, so that is how it will change. So you will get a plus 1. Okay, so now if I substitute t as infinity, I'll get minus 1 by 2. That is your answer and that's how you solve it. Are you all happy with it? Did you guys like it? Was it simple? Guys, I'll repeat it again. Please listen carefully. See, here one thing which we all realized later is your x tends to minus infinity. Your x tends to minus infinity. Isn't that right? So when your x tends to minus infinity, you have to take a different approach. Okay. So the approach is take your x as minus t. Take your x as minus t because what did I teach you? I taught you how to solve limit x tending to infinity. I taught you how to solve limit x tending to infinity. Okay. So when I do that change, what will happen? X is tending to minus infinity. So t will tend to what? So your limit t will tend to infinity. So x is minus t. So if I put that, I'll get t plus 1 divided by x is minus t. So I'll get t square plus t plus 1. X is minus t, so it will become plus t. Now solve it, it's very easy. Divide by t. So if I divide by t, I'll get what? 1 plus 1 by t divided by root of, you will get 1 plus 1 by t plus 1 by t square. And then you'll have plus 1. So the answer is 1 by 2, guys. I'm sorry, it is option B. It is not A, it is B. Okay. It is not A, it is B. I hope you guys liked it. What is the difference between minus infinity and plus infinity? Minus infinity is to the negative side. Okay. Minus infinity is to the negative side. So you have to be careful. See, when I'm taking this outside, that is where we make a mistake. I'll tell you why I followed this method. I will tell you why I followed this method. Because you guys are asking a good question. Okay. So this is the answer, option B. Now I'll tell you why I did this. Sir, why are you changing x to t, sir? Why can't we do it directly, sir? Why can't we do it directly? I will tell you, my dear, that's a very good question. Okay. See, when you had like this now, when we had an x, the question was like this. Correct? Everybody happy? So now everybody is asking, sir, why can't we directly divide by x so that I will get minus 1 plus 1 by x divided by, I'll have root of 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square minus 1. Why can't we do that? Because first of all, when you substitute, you will get answer as denominator as 0. That itself tells you are wrong. The problem is when you take x square outside, when you take x square outside the root, it is going to be what? It is going to be mod of x. This is where you went wrong. Mod of x is what? Mod of x is actually equal to, in this example, it is minus x. Okay. That is the problem you guys have done. So when you divided here by x, so you have actually taken plus x here and divided by x. Got it? But ideally what you're supposed to take? You're supposed to take minus x and x. So now you try, now you will get the answer. Now you put x as infinity. These two will cancel out. You will have minus 1 by minus 2. So am I getting the same answer? Am I getting the same answer? This is what is called as the right way of solving. Brilliant, na? Okay. So this is something which you guys have to think about it. Okay. Mod of x is minus x, man, because x is negative. Mod of minus 3 is what? Mod of minus 3 is what? It is minus 3. Is that what you are saying? Zozo. You are saying mod of minus 3 is minus 3. Yes? Is that what you want? That's not correct, man. Okay. Mod of minus 3 is minus of minus 3. That's what I've done. Okay. That's what I've done here. So when you have a negative number, it is going to be negative of x. Clear? This is a very nice question. I hope you guys liked it, because this step everybody will make a mistake. Okay. So we solved it assuming that it tends to infinity, but later we realized it is minus infinity, so our method has to change. Got it? Very good. So people, I hope you enjoyed the session today. Today's session was amazing. I will leave this question as a homework, guys. Okay. We have done enough already. You guys can try it out. So please do the homework questions and comment it down below in the chat. And people, for those who are asking, sir, how do I improve? I don't have time, sir. My exam is just 1 month away, 2 months away. See guys, you need to take help. Utilize YouTube videos. You have a lot of free resources. YouTube is there, and then you can do self-study. You can refer to previous year's papers and you can solve them. The more you solve, the better you become. Zozo is telling, sir, I'm not able to get questions correct. Zozo, don't give up hope. Practice more questions. Try slightly easier questions. Don't worry. Go down in level. Go to NCERT. Solve NCERT question. If you feel happy there, do that. Then move up. Like that, develop your level from the bottommost point. Okay? And if you need help, then that is great, because that way you will improve very fast. If you take help from experts, mentors, your journey will be faster to the top. Okay, so if you guys need anything, let me know in the comment section. I will try to do it for you in YouTube. Okay, are you all clear? Smile. I always smile in sessions. Why? What happened? I don't, is it nowadays? I don't know. I didn't observe that. So people, if you need some help from experts like the master teachers in Vedantu who have immense experience creating toppers year after year, then you can check out the crash course. This is for your JEE Mains. So we have Kvpy crash course, which is very important for your January 9th exam. You have 1 month exactly. You can start right now. Okay. And for your JEE Mains also, many people have a doubt. Sir, I have my term 1 exam, sir. I will start preparing after term 1 is over. Guys, if you wait for term 1 to get over, then you are losing out on 1 month. So I would say club term 1 and JEE Main preparation. And these are the benefits of the crash course. You have live classes, English, they are in English. You will have assignment, you will have test series, you will get the recording. You will get the recording after every session. Got it? Okay, Vijaya. Very observant. I will definitely try to. Okay. So guys, this crash course starts on December 6th. The coming week it's starting. It goes up to February. You have part test, you have full test where you can compare your All India rank. See, Vedantu's crash course is the best in the country because last year we produced 900 ranks. That's why this year we are taking limited enrollments because we want to ensure the same quality. Okay, we want to ensure and even better the last year's results. Last year we had 900 ranks in top 10,000. Guys, those are mind-blowing numbers. Mind-blowing numbers. I hope you realize the extent of that. We were so proud of our students. And that's because of the well-calibrated assignments and test series. You will get All India rank, which will tell you where you are standing. Okay, you will get summary of notes if you don't have. Some people don't write notes at all. They'll be waiting for their topper to give. I'll ask that guy, man, my teacher will give, somebody will give. Like that you keep dreaming and you will waste time. So don't worry about it. In the crash course, we provide our own notes. Got it? So that's about it, people. If you are interested to be here next year, if you want your picture to be here as a topper, then make sure you guys at least check it out and utilize it when the time is there. Okay, don't regret it later. Right now, it is December. You have 1.5 months time for your exam. So you might be able to have an impact. Okay, so this is a course. This is a price for the crash course. Guys, this is not only for maths. I know some people have that doubt. Sir, only maths 9,000, sir. No, it is all 3 subjects. Physics, chemistry, maths, along with assignment, test series with doubt solving. Okay. And when I say assignments, yes, it is Tattva assignments. We will give it to you as soft copy, no hard copy, no hard copy. Okay. So go to YouTube, you click on the link which is given to you and come below the video. So if you come below the video, what you will have? You will have the JEE crash course over here. You guys can check it out by going here. Okay. So click on this link, you change it. You can click the class 12 JEE crash course and you will get it. Okay, this is JEE crash course. It is available for 9,000 and you guys can check out other courses also. 11th standard, sir, I want to join Kvpy, sir. So Kvpy 11th standard, you have it for 1,800. Kvpy 12th standard is also 1,800. Got it? Jaya Govind, I will try to do that. Okay. Yes, Vijaya, thank you so much. I will try to do that. So people, will term 1 maths be easy? Sanjay, I think it will be easy only, man, because they have given you so many options and that too it is MCQ. So it should be easy only. Don't worry. And we will do marathon sessions, Sanjay. Try to be a part of it. Okay. They will be very good for you. Muthuram, you are early for the next class. You are early for the next class. This class is over, man. Muthu, next level only. So this is the pro subscription for 11th standard. this is for joining my batch. Okay, so if you want to join my batch, check out the 11th Standard Pro subscription for 2 years. You can do monthly trial also. Monthly trial is just 1,300. Just 1,300 for the monthly trial. Okay. So people, I will share the PDF of today's class over here and you guys can join our Telegram group. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that I can see you again in the next session. Okay. So take care. All the very best people. I love you all and I'll see you tonight at 9 o'clock. Till then, keep rocking, keep working, stay safe and be happy. Okay. Chalo, take care guys. Bye-bye.